So in the standard process, we divide this question into three intervals. What are three intervals? X is lesser than -4. X is between the two roots. मतलब roots क्या होगा? -4 and x is greater than 5. ये तीन केसेस में we would find everything and then सारा solutions जोड़ने से you get the final solution. ठीक है? ये हो गया आपका standard approach. This is the standard way. But many times such questions they can be much easily solved. मतलब you can solve it easier way if you use graphs. कैसे देखें? So this is an alternate approach. Alternate approaches. Let y is equal to mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x plus 4. ठीक है? Let this be y. Now we'll see how this function ये function कैसे दिखेगा. Okay? How to plot this function? Can someone tell me how do I plot this function? जल्दी जल्दी बताएं कुछ नहीं. How to plot this function? अरे ये फंक्शन प्लॉट कैसे करेंगे?
Sir, sir, you take cases like first one will be negative, the second one will be positive, like that.
Basically, you're telling same thing, ना? यही करने के लिए. You're telling three cases. In those three cases, find the functions and then plot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. That is correct. I'm not denying that. That is a standard procedure. वैसे करना है. That is a standard way. But there is an alternate approach. See, after I remove the modulus also, can I say that this will always remain a linear equation? In all circumstances, this will be a linear equation. मतलब ये एक y equal to constant हो सकता है या y equal to mx plus c फॉर्म में होगा हमेशा. Do you guys agree? Quadratic तो नहीं होगा ये, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So now if you see what are the this is the first observation. Let us go step by step. Maybe we'll do it step by step. So observations. Let us make intelligent observations. First observation क्या है? That this is always linear. Linear का मतलब क्या? It has to be a straight line. This graph consists of graph will be constituting straight lines. Graph consists of straight lines. If I plot this graph, it will have only straight lines. Of course, it will have different straight lines for different regions, but it will be made up of straight lines. Why? Because for different values, different regions, in सबको combination कुछ linear equation ही होगा. So I can always tell that it will be something linear. मतलब कुछ straight lines जोड़ने से आ जाएगा ये. ठीक है? For example, y equal to mod x. Let us say y equal to mod of x minus 1. This is nothing but two straight lines joined like this. Before x equal to 1. See, how many of you know this? You know that this is the graph y equal to mod of x minus 1. How many of you know that y equal to mod x minus 1 graph is this?
Sir, I know.
Okay. What about Rupsa and Olivia? You don't know, new students?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I knew.
Okay. So please tell. If you know, then tell, because if you don't know, then I can explain. Okay? So we see that this is also of mod function, and it is nothing but a combination of two straight lines. Okay. And dusra, what is the second observation? Second observation is where does the where do you have critical points? Critical point matlab, you see where is the function changing its definition? Those points you'll get wherever the mod function is becoming 0, है ना? For example, in this case, at x equal to 1, है ना? Isn't it? So wherever the mod function is 0, there the function will change, right? So similarly here also, can I say that this function will change its definition at these 2 points, x equal to -4 and x equal to 5, right? So in that case, we can make a small guess as to how this graph will look. Before that, I'm writing observation 2. What is observation 2? The function changes definition wherever mod of capital X equal to 0. ठीक है, मतलब जहां जहां ये 0 हो जाते हैं, there the function is changing its definition. That understanding is there. So this is all very important. Now you see, ये दोनों combine करेंगे तो we can get the graph immediately. For example, for this function only, I'm going to make use of both of these points. So let us say I want to plot this function. So at y equal to 5, when y is equal to 5 and when y is equal to -4, when y is equal to 5 and when y is equal to -4, I know that the function will change its graph. Okay. Now, very simple and sweet logic. I'm going to tell something very simple. You have to find the values of the function at these 2 points. Find the values of the function at these 2 points. What is the value of the function at 5?
9.
Huh?
9.
9. Okay, good. So when x is equal to 5, y will be 9. What about the other point? When x is equal to -4?
-9.
-9 कैसे है? मॉड है ना? 9 ही होगा. 9 ही होगा. And see, मतलब यहाँ भी function का value 9 है, यहाँ भी function का value 9 है, and in between the function will not change. इन दोनों points के बीच में function is not going to take some different definition ना? You guys understand? And it has to be a straight line. So there is only one straight line joining these 2 points. That is y equal to 9. ठीक है? So this is the graph of the function between these 2 points. Okay. Now what about the points before and after -4? Before -4 and after +5. Choose any value before -4. Let us say -5. ठीक है? So -5 में what is the value of the function? I think it's 11. Huh?
11.
Yeah. And take some point after this, let us say +6. If you take +6 also, it is 11.
Yes, sir.
So यहाँ भी 11 होगा. So now you see, 5 का बाद भी ये ग्राफ कुछ स्ट्रेट लाइन ही होगा, and 5 का -4 का पहले भी ये कुछ स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा. So the function will look like this, and इसका बाद भी it will continue the same definition, and here also it will continue the same. Okay. So this is the final graph of the function. इस function का final graph, this spiky graph is the final definition of the function. कौन सा function? ये y equal to mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x plus 4. ठीक है? Now explaining all this it took time, or else if you know this 10 सेकंड में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। अभी देखिए, now the question is very simple. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहे थे? That day the question I gave, mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x plus 4, when is it less than or equal to 7? Okay. Now first of all, यहाँ अभी you don't have y. This is a function which is always greater than or equal to 9, है ना? This is 9. Remember, this is the line y equal to 9. So can I say that y is a function which is always greater than or equal to 9? बोल सकते हैं ना?
Sir, could you repeat your argument, please?
My argument is इसका minimum value 9 है ना, इस y function we plotted, we are seeing, we can clearly see that it is taking a minimum value of 9 between
Yes, sir.
minus 4 and 5, and after that and before minus 4 it is always greater. Okay, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहे? क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहे when is it lesser than 7? 7 मतलब यहाँ कहीं होगा?
कभी नहीं होगा सर।
कभी नहीं होगा, therefore the answer will be 5. ठीक है, null set, the answer will be null set. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is the same answer we got that day also. You guys just go through your notes, you will see. Okay,
सर तो मतलब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को ये से करना बेटर रहेगा ग्राफ से।
ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को यस ऐसे करना अच्छा है, बट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऐसे क्वेश्चंस?
मतलब जैसे टू मॉड्यूलस फंक्शंस का जब सम रहेगा।
No, no, no. See, maths is not stereotype, you know. Based on the question, you have to. I'll give more questions. Okay, I'll give some more questions. Just copy this. Anyone
Sir,
has
when
any-
did the class start?
When did the class start? Maybe 10 minutes before you came.
ओके सर। तो पर आपने मतलब यहाँ पर शेड्यूल में कुछ भी नहीं लिखा था, आपने मैसेज भी मतलब आपने ये में मैसेज नहीं किया, इसलिए पता नहीं था।
Yeah, I told your friends to tell you. I told. I think they forgot. No problem.
अच्छा अच्छा।
ठीक है। Okay, while you're copying, I'll give us one more question here. Okay, answer. Yes. Tell her. Wow. Yes, Vaishnavi, you have some answer.
Sir, is the answer correct?
You tell the explanation.
Sir, I drew the graph.
You drew the
And the
graph.
graph, yeah, it did not go below the x-axis.
How did you draw the graph?
Sir, I took the critical point, that is 2, -2 and 1.
Okay.
And then I took out f of x.
Wait. -2 +2 1 half. Then then yes, what did you do after that? Am I audible?
Now you are audible.
Yeah. Can you tell what you did after this?
Sir, then I took out f of x values.
Okay, you got some value.
Yeah, for -2 I got 12. For 1 I got 3. And for 2 I got 0.
Okay. Then
Then I drew the graph.
how? Okay, see, in this particular question, you don't know that it's a straight line. What is joining them? It can be straight line, it can be, what do you say, it can be quadratic expression also. In that case, it might look like this. So, we don't know. No? What if maybe the curve is going like this? Very much possible. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. So, how can you tell? है ना?
Yes.
So that's why I told this method, the last method I told you use it only when you have a linear expression inside the mod. When it's linear, we know mod निकालने के बाद भी वो linear ही होगा ना. X can get cancelled out and become constant, or X can add and become. It is still linear. It is not becoming quadratic. Okay. When it becomes a quadratic or cubic, then we don't know na, how it will act in between. Okay. Maybe it's going like this, or maybe it can go like this. We are not sure. मतलब फिर आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा बीच में भी फंक्शन. Okay. Anyone else? Oishi? Anyone? Oliya, Rukia, Riya, Risha, Mayuk, Mayuksha. कोई नहीं है. अच्छा, okay, I'll do one thing. This is not the question, but imagine the question was something like this. Imagine question was this. तब आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? Acha, Vaishnavi, if you got 0 at +2, then how did you say that it has no solution? Oh, you got only one function is 0 maybe. Anyway, see, look at the question I'm asking. I'm asking, हाँ, ये अगर
तो
लेस देन होने से कितना सॉल्यूशन होगा इसका?
तो बहुत सारा आ जाएगा।
अरे बहुत सारे कैसे होगा बॉस? दो मॉड फंक्शन का भी ऐड किया के लेस देन 0 आएगा क्या?
ओ सॉरी हाँ
बोलिए बाकी लोग थोड़ा खोलिए, मुंह खोलिए, say something. You tell, Oishi, you tell.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, for the method I did where I had like less than equal to 0, at +2, both the whole thing was equal to 0.
Okay.
Then I can consider that as a row because nowhere else it is equal to 0.
No, but you checked only for 3 points. How are you telling nowhere else? I agree. You got 0 at this point. ठीक है, मान लिया. But how do you know what is happening in between? Maybe it's going like this. Maybe here also it is going like this. Okay, then you might argue, sir, it's not. It is mod. Adding mod, we cannot get negative. Okay, maybe it was like this.
सर सर दोनों का मतलब अगर ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे सर तो मतलब एक का ग्राफ होगा कि मतलब एक्स मॉड ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 उसका ग्राफ होगा आपका आपका
Okay, I'll give a small cue. Let me give a small cue. In this,
सर
हाँ.
सर ग्राफ
Can we
नहीं किया है मतलब
differentiate?
Yeah, neither you need the graph nor you need to differentiate. Okay.
सर एक्चुअली सर ग्राफ से मतलब वहां पर आप आपका जो पैराबोला होगा जिसका सेंटर होगा आपका मतलब वर्टेक्स होगा आपका 0,-0,3/2 और आपका एक c होगा मतलब कांस्टेंट मतलब ये
ठीक है
70
maybe you're right also what you're doing, but see, this is a very small question, you know. Exam में आएगा, this will be a 1 mark question. वैसे सोचिए, it's quite simple. Okay, so first of all, no one answered my question. I said instead of less than or equal to, if I had less than, what would the answer be?
Zero.
No solution. Good. Rupsa spoke. I'm happy she spoke. Now, instead of less than, if you have less than or equal to, see, less than or equal to, look at the English. Less than or equal to, मतलब दो केस है जिसमें लेस देन केस तो कभी होगा नहीं. मतलब क्या होना चाहिए? अगर कुछ होगा तो इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए. ओके, है ना? So basically आप लोगों को क्या सॉल्व करना है? You need to find the solutions for which this is equal to 0, है ना? Did you get the logic? How many of you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only Riya Mayuk.
Sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell the answer. If you understood the logic, then also tell the answer, because the answer is not far from here. जल्दी बोलिए, ताड़ाताड़ी.
Sir, one solution.
What is that one? Can you explain? Your answer is right. Can you explain, Oishi? Can you just explain what you said, Oishi?
Sir, am I audible?
Okay.
Sir, we can have we can factorize and get two things that x minus 2 x plus 2 from the first form.
Yeah, this has plus or minus 2. It is 0. And here,
Minus minus.
plus 1 plus 2. So,
Sir, there we have minus 1 minus 2.
minus 1, no, plus 1 plus 2. This is plus or minus 2 and this will be plus 1 plus 2.
Then we can
Then we can. My God.
सर
हाँ बोले
सर एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ
कीजिए प्लीज
सर यहाँ पर आपका मतलब इक्वल टू साइन है तो आप एक्स तो एक का दो केसेस आएगा एक होगा माइनस और एक होगा प्लस ठीक है तो फिर आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 प्लस
नहीं नो नो नो
सर वैसे करने से आसान हो जाता है सर
हाँ वेट वैष्णव यू टेल
Sir, we are adding two mod functions which can never be matlab zero or sorry negative. So each has to be zero on its own. So we'll get plus 2 as the solution.
बस see ये तो मैं इतना बार I told this so many times ना so many times we wrote this remember in straight lines also I told we write mod a plus mod b does not equal to 0 इसका meaning क्या है this means this is the same as saying a square plus b square does not equal to 0 what do all these equations mean they mean that both of them are not simultaneously 0 क्यों mod x plus mod y equal to 0 means x has to be 0 and y has to be 0 ठीक है and मतलब क्या इन दोनों सॉल्यूशन का इंटरसेक्शन चाहिए हमको सो प्लस और माइनस 2 एक सॉल्यूशन सेट है दूसरा सॉल्यूशन सेट प्लस 1 प्लस 2 दोनों के बीच में कॉमन सॉल्यूशन क्या प्लस 2 सो देयर इज ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन दैट इज प्लस 2 ठीक है हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड Okay. Richa, Olivia, Ruksa, Vaishnavi.
Sir, I understood.
Okay. Olivia?
yes sir. Understood.
Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is only one solution. So that's what it's not stereotyped. It's not that there is only one approach for solving questions in math. Question to question, you have to think what exactly the question is asking. ठीक है? तो हर क्वेश्चन में एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं लगेगा. That is what exams like mains and all test. You have to think based on the question. Question के हिसाब से. Okay, let us do one more question. Achha, I hope all of you noted down the solution. Okay. चलिए. Now let us take a different example. One more small question. Question 3. What is the solution for this? Okay. See, tell the answer. No, don't send in chat box. Chat box मेरे को
Sir.
खोलना पड़ता है. हाँ, ये tell me.
Open bracket 1 comma 2 close bracket.
Open bracket 1 comma 2 close bracket. बताएं.
Sir, I factorized it, then I took the Wavy curve method.
हाँ. Next.
So we'll get 2 1s, only 2 1 are the solutions. So from 1 to 2 it is negative, and add 2 it is 0.
अच्छा, what about the mod? You neglected the mod, na?
Yes.
Mod can be neglected. What do the other students say? Can we neglect the mod in this case? Of course not. See, it's the exactly same question. Last question, this question, there's hardly any difference. Mod, see, mod, who cares what is inside? Mod of anything less than or equal to 0. What does this mean? कि कभी होगा क्या?
No, sir.
Then what is the only time when it is possible?
2.
Huh?
Sir, it can be equal to 0.
Then
That
you
is
just have to solve for y equal to 0. तो इसका solutions क्या होगा?
Sir, it will be 2.
It will be 1 comma 2, but 1 cannot be 0 because it did not give me. इसलिए answer will be only 2. ठीक है? Hence the answer will be x equal to 2. ठीक है? Okay? ठीक है? Find the number of real roots. Find the number of real roots. Find this 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x minus 2.